Okay then, in this video we will discuss comments in Python. So if you would like to create a comment in Python, it's very easy. All you need to do is to type this hashtag and then you can write your comment. Like so. You can also write your comment at the end of the line and Python will ignore your comment. So for instance, I'm right now at the end of this line and in here I can write my comment and Python will ignore my comment. So for instance, if I run this code, my comments will not be executed. Okay, so you can also use a comment to prevent the code from execution. So for instance, if you comment out this statement, print statement, that means it will not be executed. Okay, so if I run my code again, this print statement will not be executed. So regarding multi-line comments, Python doesn't have a syntax for multi-line comments. However, you can insert hashtag to each line to make a multi-line comment. So for instance, I can insert hashtag to each line and then this will work as a multi-line comment. Alternatively, you can use a multi-line string like so. This is actually a string or multi-line string, but since it's not assigned to any variable, Python will ignore it. Okay? So let me explain it one more time. So this one is a multi-line string. And as you can see, it's not assigned to any variable. It's just a string, but not assigned. That's why Python will ignore it. That means you can use it as a multi-line comment. So if I run my main.py file, as you can see, nothing is getting executed. So that's how you make multi-line comment. But again, this multi-line string is not intended to be used as a multi-line comment. Okay, so that's all regarding comments in Python, and I will see you in the next video.